Project Medical Education is an all-day experience, immersive experience for our federal and state policymakers and their staffs to understand more critically what medical education is.
To serve with compassion and promote well-being in our communities.
The participants partake in several activities throughout the day, including laboratory sessions, exercises in the simulation center, as well as lectures, including humanities, to really understand what it means to be a medical student and what medical education means for our future healthcare workers.
Clear.
Clear.
Push the button. Bang. Okay.
This is a 4-year curriculum that medical students go through. And, they jammed everything they could in about 7 hours. And so I think we were just beginning to scratch the end of the surface on what exactly it takes. But this was so illuminating for me, not only from in terms of what medical students go through, but again, thinking about policies that we can employ at the state level to help make it a little easier.
These type of immersion experiences make the impossible possible. And that is, it's very hard to understand what actually happens, the expense and opportunity of being a medical student without having this type of immersive experience. I think I'm pretty sure that what they're going to take away from are the depth and breadth of the training that's required to get people out into the practice of medicine. I mean, you see your doctor and you just assume that they went to school. But even though you only spend 8 hours with us, that's a pretty intense 8 hours. They get to really see the spectrum of what happens in medical education. And I hope that that passion that they feel when they leave helps us think about policies and guidelines that allow us to better support medical education throughout the state.